Want to know how to close or delete your account in Remitly? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Remitly website. Just simply hit towards remitly.com and open up your website. And once you're there, on the top right side, you should be seeing this welcome icon right here. So just simply select it. And on top, you should be say settings. Just simply select settings. Now, once you have selected settings, you should be under settings just like this right here. So once you're there, here you should be seeing profile information. And once you're under profile information, just simply scroll all the way down until you see close my profile. Just simply select it. And now right here you should be seeing its terms and conditions. So you can see that once our profile is closed, we won't be able to access anything of it, not even transfer histories. So you can just simply select I understand and then select close my profile. And once that is done, your profile should be deleted or closed. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.